today we are going to start the topic what is lesson planning. Oh, you are all are expert. Maximum number of subjects you are taking, maximum number of years of experience you are taking the subjects, and you are expertise in that subject. Now, why we are discussing this lesson planning? What is lesson and what is planning? Anybody can tell me what is lesson? Anybody wants to say something about this lesson? Don't worry, principal sir will not mark you any marks. You will not get any certificate for that, or you will not lose the marks also.
Unmute yourself and tell, please.
Maybe it is the, I think as a learning experience of that particular day at that particular time. I call that as a lesson. Is that right?
Okay, very nice. Anybody else? Anybody? What is lesson? Lesson.
The morals and the, my name is Padmaja, sir.
Yeah, Padma ji.
Yeah. The moral and the values learned out of any relevant topic, that is called as lesson.
Okay. Before coming to this, yes, ma'am.
Experience.
Experience. Very
Learning
nice. Yes. Yasmin ji, you want to say something? Experience, you are saying. I think voice is not coming clear. Yasmin ji, your voice is not clear. Okay, no problem, no problem. Do one before coming to this session. Do you plan something? Any planning you had done? Today I am going to discuss something. Lecture will be there. Sir, principals had given this opportunity to listen something, and they had given this time. Now you had planned something for that or not? Frankly speaking, no or yes? Kindly write down in the chat box. Yes or no? I can see the chat box. How many people write yes or no? Whether they had planned something or not. Don't copy to another person. Kindly speak very truly. Yes, you had planned. Very good. Very good. Everybody is writing yes, yes. Anybody can tell me what plan you have right now? What you are planning? What you have planned in your mind? What the Mishra sir will said? Or what principal sir had? Why this planning has been arranged? This lesson planning topic has been arranged. Yes, madam. Geeta ma'am, you want to say something? Anybody can raise hand. Yes, Shri Devi ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is your voice is not coming. No problem. To update the knowledge topic we are going to teach. First of all, before coming to the session, you are supposed to think about the. Thank you, ma'am. I think this is the problem where this is basically kindly unmute all the people. Kindly mute all the people, madam.
Sajid sir, mute everybody because
Kindly mute all the people now. Now,
Yes,
see,
sir. I will do that one. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. When you are planning something and starting the session, we have now planning is one of the important part before and after both the things we are required. Before planning or without doing any activity without the planning, we are unsuccessful in the project basically. So when you are going to take the lesson means what the topic, whatever task you are going to do. Lesson planning doesn't means the planning of taking the classroom only. The class basically. Today I had also prepared my lesson planning. First of all, I try to discuss with you what you try to want to. Anybody can know, tell me what type of topics you want to know about this lesson planning. What is your expectation from me? Anybody? Padmaja ma'am.
Sorry, sir. We muted all the teachers now because of the background problem.
Okay. Thank you. Now they can write down. You can write down if I am asking the question. Kindly write down the chat box. So, before coming, what is your expectation from the lesson planning topic? What you are expecting from me? Kindly write down. And if I mention some name, kindly mention so that I can see whether they are active or not. How to write a good lesson plan? Very good. Argumented reality to refresh. How to effective can be improve the lesson planning. Before going to the class, anybody write down the purpose of education first of all. What is the purpose of education? Why we are calling the students to come and take the lesson or take the class, or we will teach them? What is the purpose of that? Anybody? Write down the chat box, please. Strategy to check the students, holistic development of the child, to improve the reasoning capacity. As per the new education policy, all over world, basically, we are doing the work with the PISA. Kindly write the reply in that way. Holistic development, better person, make a better person, learn to think, make responsible. Now see, education is not all these things that include, that is a very silent things. But education is a process of learning. What it is? Write down, kindly write down. Education is a process of learning. And when you remove the L, what is left? In learning, when you remove the L, what is left? Earning. And in earning, if the child is not earning, or if you are not earning from my speech, you will not listen me. Similarly, the students also. So earning is what? NING, remove then, now NING means listening. So when you are listening something, without listening, you cannot earn something. And when you earn something, you will get something. So education is a process of learning. You cannot make the holistic development. You can improve, you can enhance in a different form. If the child is not interested to enhance his skills, how you can improve? You can only motivate them, only try to inculcate these things. So now I am starting the PPT, and that I kindly allow me to screen sharing, please. Kindly make me a co-host also so that I can share the things. Kindly allow me to sharing the screen, please. So before that, now if you are if the child is not getting anything from the lesson, whatever you are taking, let us say mathematics, they are taking the mathematics class, and when mathematics class they are not earning something, they are not knowing how to earn something or how to get this knowledge, that you are taking the linear equation topic, they are not using their linear equation in their own daily life. So the topic will be very difficult to understand in the better way. That is the important part. Anwar sir, request to kindly allow me for screen sharing, please. Thank you. I think not allowed right now.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Just 1 minute.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So that is the important part where we are. Now, how we can say lesson is the important part. A teacher, as a teacher, is a subject teacher. You write down a detailed guide to train the plan to order to achieve a intent learning outcomes. Whatever the learning outcomes is mentioned in the curriculum or whatever, you try to make it possibility way how to achieve that. In learning outcomes, basically you discuss what is learning outcome. Learning outcome, how to use in your daily life. A learning outcomes related to how to earn the things from there, the topic. If you are not earning, if you are taking the linear equation, the topic, and that linear equation is not useful for the music teacher, if it is not useful for the Hindi teacher, or it is not useful for the other child, you can say, who is not having interest in the mathematics, you will not listen. You will listen only to those things where they have the interest, where they are interested, they have the process of earning something. So that is the important part, basically, you can say. Now, thank you for allowing me for sharing the PPT. Now, lesson plan is written to guide for the trainer plan in the order to achieve, you can say, intent outcomes, and it provides a specific definition and the direction also. where you are and where you want to go to the topic basically. And it also learning in the terms of objectives, equipments and instructional media, material requirement to conducting this class also. Let us assume right now I require the Zoom classes, digital classrooms. So this is the way where we can say how we are getting all these things. So these are the part and parcel of the things where we are getting the planning in that way. So now next part is a beginner. Basically, when you are a beginner in the lesson or the class is in the beginning session, you can say teacher will need to put some time and efforts to creating the detailed lessons. First time when you are making a plan for a, you can say lesson planning, when you are doing your creating your lesson plan, you require more time. You require more efforts also. And for that, basically, this does not mean that the instruction will not deviate the original plan, but it may be something because you do not know the classroom also. Let us assume previously you are taking class 9. Now, first time you are going to take class 10, or you are taking the first time new students. You do not know what is the learning gap and where the child and how much they know, what type of atmosphere the child is having, what type of thoughts they're having, or new topics when you are. That time, the lesson plan will help the structure effective instruction strategy until more experience is gained. And that more experience can be gained only when you interact with the students, when you interact with the people. So in the first class, instead of starting the lesson directly, try to interact first of all, try to know the ability of the child by asking some silly questions. Silly question, how many, what is your timetable of your daily routine basically? How much time you spend for watching television? How much time you spend for sports? How much time you spend for all these activities? So this type of silly questions when you ask, you know about the child, you can say behavior also, and the interest of the child. When you interact one by one all the children, it will make something efficiency. And our next part is for a teacher to facilitate the best possible learning environment, and they must carefully select opportunities and activities which will support mastery of predetermined measurable objective. What is in your mind? Today I am going to take the linear equation, but the child is not interested to learn the linear equation. They have the fun of another things. They have fun of one of the child having the birthday party, having the birthday in your class, and you are going to take the class of linear equation. Now you convert this birthday party or birthday, whatever the function is there, towards this linear equation. Then it will be effective. Otherwise, predetermined objective cannot be fulfilled. Your objective will be not. So your desiredness of the child is also the important part. You convert your desiredness or the child desiredness towards your objectives, and that will make the real world situation basically. So there are three main parts basically we can say for the lesson planning. First is the planning, second is the assessment, and teacher facilitate instructions. How you are going the instructions you will pass. Assessment is the second part and planning is the first part. So on the basis of this thing, you can see the next part is basically how you make the good lesson plans. For that purpose, the teacher must have thorough knowledge about the students' interest, traits, and the ability. And that you can get only when you interact with the students in the beginning of the session. And teacher must have mastery of the subject. So if you have the mastery of the subject, then you convert all the activities or the thoughts of the children towards your topic. You make the plan. If they have the singing idea, convert the singing towards the mathematics. That's why we are saying integration of the subjects, integration of sports activity, integration of music, integration of activities. So teachers should be thoroughly acquainted with the principle of teaching and learning. Try to do the learning process. Try to make the environment of learning instead of teaching. That will make effective to you. You will also enjoy and the students will also enjoy. The teacher should have adequate training of the skills required to construct a good lesson plan. When you are having the good lesson plan, a lesson plan doesn't mean that today I am supposed to complete this topic. Lesson plan is how I am going to interact with the children. If they have these things, just like in you make the data sheet. If it is yes, then what will the reply? If it is no, then what will you do? So if it is yes, what you will do next? What will be the next plan? So that plan should be in this way. In this way, basically, when you are planning to go to the mall and you want to buy something or you want to see the movie, but in that day, when you go to the movie, you do not see the ticket from the counter. What will happen? Then you fail. Basically, because your plan do not have another plan. When you have the planning, what will you do? You will enjoy the day. If you do not have the plan, what will happen? You will not enjoy the day. That's the reason where the students are also facing the problem. If they have the planning in that way, automatically they will enjoy also. The content of lesson should be arranged psychological and logical fashions. It should be arranged psychological. Today, we start our session with the COVID. I try to avoid this word COVID. Say the period of darkness, you can say, or you can say the period of, you can say the pandemic condition, you can say, or something, in other words, you can say this type of things. And when you are saying this type of word, automatically it will give some positive response also. Teacher must be conversant with the new methods and techniques of teaching. Right now in this pandemic condition, all the teachers try to learn how to take the classes on online basis. So this online methodology, online digitalization, I was in the Muscat when I had taken this topic, how to conduct the lesson planning for the 2 day sessions. All the Muscat teachers and these principals attended that session. There were the 4 topics we had taken. How to set up the good question paper, how to use the IT technology in the better formation. These all things are one of the important part. We are not expecting this type of things. We do not expect this pandemic condition will come in this way. So, but that time we had done this topic also. Even during the time of preparing the lesson plan, the teachers should know the level of knowledge of the students. If you knowing the knowledge of the students, accordingly you will make the lesson plan, you will act or react in that way, and you will try to fill the learning gaps if there is any in the mind of the child or in the any group of the people or any part and parcel they are unable to understand. You can take that lesson in that way. Now, considering the lesson plan, you are supposed to consider the students' content and the material. These 3 things are very important. What type of students you have, what type of content you are going to take, and what type of resource material you have. Now in the pandemic condition, you are taking the classes on the digital mode, and this digital mode do not have the you can say personal contact one-to-one, you can say, to all the students. So this material, how you take some material. The science teachers are saying how we can conduct these classes without the labs. So you take some lab, the science, your kitchen is your lab, you can say you utilize that kitchen as a lab or something like this. If your ground or something scale or your classroom can be converted into your another digital rooms. And when you are using that type of content or material, it will definitely make something in a better form. In students, when we say the ability, try to write down what type of ability. When you discuss with the children in the starting of the session, you'll find out what is the class ability, child-wise ability in the best way, or you can say do the SWOT analysis by talking something. What is the interest? That's why I say ask the type of questions, this type of questions where you can know about the interest of the child. Background also. From where background basically is, tell you about the interest level of the child, what type of thought process they have in their mind. Background basically, or the family attention span basically can be how much long you are doing the same thing. If you are asking something, the child is diverting from one point to another point, it means that they have the lack of attention. Ability to work in a group or not. Background knowledge, special need, learning preferences can be also important part for when you are considering this lesson planning. When we are discussing about the content is most probably given by the curriculum committee. You can say either by the school or the university or the national curriculum standards. So you are supposed to take that curriculum, but the curriculum can be divided by you as per the knowledge, interest, content, and the condition of the child also. So that will make something in a positive manner when you are making the lesson plan. Material, it also depends upon the material. Basically, when you say material, it will depends upon the things where what type of the resources you have in your point, just like technology, software, whiteboard, green board, you can say equipment, library, digital or teacher guest lecture, videos, this type of things, materials you can take consideration in that way. Now, what are the requirements for the components of the lesson plan? When we say about the components, so that is the important part. The components can be decided in one way or another way. That there are the 5 points important for the components. First is the profile. Second is the objectives. Third is the materials. Fourth is procedure, and fifth is assessment. So profile of the child, profile of the class. What is the objective? Objective is also the important part. How you are, what is the objective of taking that lesson? Why you are going to take that lesson to that particular class? What material, whatever the material, resource material you have, and how your procedures you follow these things for completing the topic, and how you are going to assess the things. So assessment is also the important. Sometimes the teachers are not taking that kind of class where the assessment is not of that topic. So you are taking not some of the topics, they are always asking which topic is related from the CBSE curriculum. So they are not taking that topic. So this topic is also the important part you are supposed to consider in that way. What topics you are taking or not taking. So now first you take the profile. So profile is what? Profile is the title of the lesson, contributor, subject, which grade you are taking, instructional settings you can say, and the standard, general description about the lesson. What you can say little bit about the learning outcome also, gist of the lesson you can say. When we say the objective, it is determining what the student should learn or do, what they are learning. I'm not saying that to teach, I'm saying about the learn to do, and how they are learning can be doing in their daily life. So determine what students should learn from that your topic you are going to take in your class, and how the topic will be utilized by the child in their daily life that he is doing basically, and focusing on the concept and the skill to be taught. As the new education policy always focusing on this thing, the concept building. Concept is clear, but how the skill to be taught, how the skill can be inculcated between this concept so that they can use this topic in that better form. Next is the material. You can say that I'm showing the PowerPoint presentation, textbook, journal articles, multimedia material, jobs, or checklist. You can say whatever the material you have, resources. Next is the important part, procedure. Now outline the steps of the teaching learning process. Here teaching starts and learning also. The teaching learning is now known as the pedagogy process. So instruction strategy and the lesson plans is about the procedure. How you start, how you introduce the topic. When you say the linear equation directly or tell the topic, today I'm going to take this topic. So the child will go to that fear of that topic basically. So instead of telling directly to the topic, much better, outline the teaching learning process and introduce the topic in a better form so they can understand in a better way. So next is the assessment part. Assesses to what extent the preset objectives were achieved, and assessment should be correlate with the pre-stated objectives also. It reflects upon the result and the revise the lesson plan as per the assessment outcomes. It doesn't mean that assessment can be done only for promoting the students. It can be for knowing the learning gaps also. So there I say pre and post, try to take both type of assessment. What students know about the topic, or what they want to know, how much the gap is there, and how you are going to fill that thing. And you can take the different types of assessment. Right now on this digital mode, you can start the quizzes, test, independent worksheet. You can create independent worksheet, basically created to assess all the different categories of the students. When you are making the same worksheet for all the students, you cannot analyze, or you cannot able to help the students who are weak in the studies and unable to understand the topic. So it's much better try to make the independent worksheet or the type of questions. Cooperative performance worksheet also may be done. You can say group activities, give the group performance worksheet. Hand-on experience, experiments, oral discussion, question and answer discussion. This may be type of assessment you can start. So in that assessing the child, you give this type of the question, just like in games, first level, second level, third level, fourth level. And first level you will get this one, second level you will get this one, third level you will get this one. So this type of assessment is one of the important part. Now there are the type of models of lesson plan which is very much popular. Gani 9 events of instruction mainly and the 7 steps of lesson plan, 5 E's models. So first of all, I discuss about the Gangli's 9 events instructions. Basically, it gains attention or the topics on that. It informs the learnings of the objective. It stimulates the recall of the prior learnings and present the stimulates. So provide the learning guidance, academic performance, provide the feedback. It basically depends upon the college students. In this 9 event structures, basically, when you find out this thing, enhance the retention and the transfer, it all depends upon the higher level. It mainly when the child is only listening there. So here it is not so much popular in the school level when we say the Medline Hunter's 7 steps, it's something better than the 9 points. It says first you review, you find out the NCERT books. All the NCERT books try to review all the maths having first lesson or the review of the previous class. So review, anticipatory, set and input. Then objectives and modeling, checking the understanding in guided practice and independent practice. So these 7 steps are very much, you can say, applicable when we are saying about 6th to 8th or 5th to 8th class. So these 7 steps you can say are important when you are making the lesson plan. But I prefer always for grade 1 to 12, I prefer this 5E model plan. First, engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. Instead of starting the lesson, try to engage the child. Before introducing the topic, you discuss something, you ask some question to the children and engage the child in a different form. When they are engaging, automatically they will something give their reply. When they engage, they will share their experiences. They explore something. And when they explore something, then you try to explain whether they are on the right path or whether they are on the wrong path. So when they explain, automatically they ask some questions also. They will ask and queries also. At the time you try to elaborate them. And after elaborating, then the child will be able to understand. And then you try to evaluate whether the child is able to understand the things in a better form or not. Now this, you can say 5E models is now extended towards the 2 parts more. That is extend and exit is also there. But this 5E model is one of the success model, you can say, I prefer in my school also in where I try to implement these things. The format of lesson plan you very well know. You have their own teacher diary, you can say. Now the lesson plan teacher's diary is specific. You are supposed to write down the title, unit, topic, name, duration of the time. Sometimes you are making the weekly or 15 days or monthly, and sometimes you are making on the daily basis also. So what type of teaching aids you are using? The main points you are supposed to discuss in the lesson plan is objective of the class. And you are supposed to define the general objective and the specific objective. And how you are going to achieve this general and specific objective and within the time frame. That is the important part when you are formatting the lesson plan. So general objective means to cover up the syllabus, but specific object that how you are, you can say, enhancing the 21st century skills among the children. So when you are making the common problems, this lesson plan, you face some of the problems. First is emotional control. Now in this pandemic condition, we are unable to interact with the children in a physical way. So providing emotional controls, it is an important part. Provisions of individual differences is also sometimes face the problem due to the large classroom. Provisions of integration of learning experiences also. And provisions of the evaluation of the outcomes, how to evaluate, you can evaluate the outcomes. When we say the emotional control, learner gains knowledge and acquires ability in the teaching learning process and develop the corresponding values. So how you create the values? When you create the values or the corresponding values, automatically what will happen? The child interest will develop in your topic. The sports teacher is always favorite to all the students. Why? Because they try to create the involvement of the child. They try to involvement, but certain areas in certain subjects, they are not involved in all the students in a better form, then they have not the interest. And this value that the students acquire determines the direction of her or his actions basically. Hence, the teacher should carefully choose the teaching learning activities so as to provide emotional control also. When you make this emotional control in a better form, automatically the class will move towards you, just like a bagpiper. You have listened the story of the mice, they say. It is practically difficult for the teacher to cater to individual learners' values and ability, and thus providing the emotional control is common problem encountered in the lesson planning stage. So all the teachers try to create the emotional controls, and so that they can make the something in a better form their lesson plan. The important part, how provisions of the individual differences. It is a common to observe individual differences among the learners in the terms of ability, interest, intelligence, and the previous experiences, attitudes, and the ideas. And when you are having this type of things, automatically the individual differences can be done in that way. Teacher is vested with the responsibility of choosing the learning experiences that will meet the students' need, and thus become the challenge to the teacher workings on the lesson plan. So when you are making these things, teacher has to provide right kind of learning opportunities. Right kind, why I'm saying right kind, all the learning opportunities are the correct things. But why right kinds? Right kind basically is the way of taking the class. Always things to do instead of saying that don'ts. So learning opportunities, you try to say, you try to tell about the right things instead of wrong things, I can say, and facilitate the integration of the subjects matter being taught. Don't you can say demotivate in for the other subjects. Just like science teachers are saying the language is not so much important. You try to read only the maths and science. Try to develop the maths and science only. It is not required. All the subjects are having importance. So try to integrate or make the projects in that way. All the subjects should be integrated to each other. And this call for active intervention of the lesson plan stage also. When you are having the evaluation of the outcomes, the teacher should, before they decide the expected outcomes of the teaching learning process, and suitably incorporate them in the lesson plan according to the pre-stated objectives. Whatever the pre-stated objective, you try to make that things. Now, these are the 5 very, very important key points when you are designing the lesson plan. First, have a clear objective, specific and general, clear objectives. Second, handle time constraints well. If you're not handling the time constraints well, automatically it will not be a successful model. For your lesson is okay, but your plan is not okay. Remember the anticipatory set also. If there is certain little bit the questions are arise, or something question is unable to understand by the children, so you have to little bit remember that things also. Practice the new concept, or you can see the heavy teachers involvement should not be there. So practice the new concept where the students involvement should be more as compared to the teacher involvement. That is also the important part. Effective reviewing and testing, where the child not think that they have the test. They think that they are playing something. So fun way method teaching or assessment should be in the fun way method. So fun way method will be there. Automatically it will do something in a better form. So track your teaching activities throughout the terms objective. What you want students to learn from the lesson. That is the important part. And I can say this was my PPT, but I want to say one thing more here. You are supposed to ask the students in another way also. In another way, I can say, when you are asking the questions in a detailed form, it will be done in the another way. It can be done in the you can say tackle when you have the good lesson plan or thought of the process. It will be done in the things process also. Now kindly raise your hand, and I am giving you the asking the questions. I think you are from the anybody from the mathematics background. Kindly allow maths teacher. Any maths teacher raise the hand. Maths teachers are there or not? Don't worry, I will not ask I'm not a maths teacher, don't worry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sajid ji. Now,
Yes.
when which class you are taking, Sajid ji?
But I'm taking 10th, 11th, 12th.
10th, 11th, 12th, very good. So how you start the lesson?
Sir, I just see what I taught yesterday. So suppose if they what I taught yesterday and if they are
Topic.
under
Just give
Yeah.
the topic.
yes, or maybe some light moments I start what happened yesterday with me. So
I'm
they
asking
connect
if
with
you're
me.
taking the 9th class. I'm just discussing with Sajiji because Max having some fear.
Okay.
Sajiji, tell me 9th class, what topic you are taking? Tell me the topic.
Sir, I take 10th. So if suppose they are coming from the 9th class, so as you told about the linear equations, so I will just connect with that last year work.
Okay, linear equation, I start from the last year session. So how it will be effective? How you start? Let me know.
Sir, we can make it with the ratios, 1:3 and then 2:6, and that how it is working, how we can make equations. So when we introduce the variables,
Any language teacher is there? Any language teacher? Sajiji, don't take it otherwise. Language teacher also don't. I'm just comparing. The language teacher understand what you are taught in the class in the better way or not. When you are listening to these things, because math teacher or the science teacher will understand what is X, what is Y, why you are teaching all this. But when you are taking the another language teacher, any language teacher is there? Hindi, English, or whatever you have, Urdu. Any language teacher?
Yes, sir, I am here. Anwar sir.
Yeah, Anwarji. So
Please unmute.
you understand whether Sajiji is telling you, let me whether you able to understand or not.
Now
Say
we do
very
it-
frankly, okay?
We do
Start,
in a
Sajiji.
we do in a different way. We just create a rapport
No,
making.
no, no,
by
Anwarji, I'm not asking how you are doing.
Ah.
Now Sajiji is taking the class of mathematics and he is starting the linear equation. He wants to tell you the linear equation. Now Anwarji understand whether Sajiji able to take the successful model or not. Sajiji,
No.
start, please.
Anwar sir,
Yes, sir.
see, do you know if suppose you are purchasing a banana, one
Yeah.
banana is 5 real,
Okay.
2 bananas how much?
10 reals,
10 reals. Okay, 3 bananas how much?
15 reals.
Okay, so if suppose the number of bananas we give a variable, suppose the x. Okay, so to get the x, what you are doing? If to get the suppose the number of bananas is x,
Okay.
and how much real is each banana? 5, right?
Okay.
So if suppose you need to get the 5 bananas cost, how you will get it?
X into 5.
Yeah, 5x, right? So
Okay.
suppose the y is the cost of all the bananas. So you can say that equation is y is equal to 5x,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Yes, this is only the
Now,
we are going to learn.
Anwarji,
But-
Anwarji, now tell what you have learned.
See, actually, mental maths, it's working
Bananas
here.
are the okay. Banana still banana. Purchase banana is okay.
Yeah.
But as the Sajid start X and Y, assuming the X and Y variables,
It's little
the
difficult.
Anwar face was not so good. He was just asking what is Y, X and Y, why not Rayan?
Yeah.
Why not rupees, I can say. So Anwar, what difficulty you face? And from where the difficulty starts?
See, when he adds that X, then difficulty comes. Then
Sajid,
if you directly say that, if you directly say that one that is banana, then easily I can calculate and I can multiply the things like. Even if he adds that X or Y, sometimes the confusion may come out if I'm not aware of that things clearly.
Very good, very good. Now, why I'm comparing this to them, Sajidji, because you are expecting that whatever X and Y you are explaining, the Anwarji will understand very well. Similarly, Anwarji will start something, tenses or something, you will also face the same problem. Thing is that, first of all, you tried, you had started the lesson very right. You put the situation. I write down the word sodas. I request all the teachers to write down the word sodas, S-O-D-A-S. Sodas. S stands for situation. Sajid had given the situation to the Anwarji. What situation they had given? Let us assume you have one banana cost this thing. How many 2 bananas are there? Situation was very good. You created a situation. Then he given the option also. But that option, giving the option, he is unable to understand. Before that option, giving the option, you are supposed to tell, let us assume these variables are nothing. This you think X is the price, X is the currency, and Y is the banana. Then you, when you explain this thing, So automatically what will happen? The fear of this X and Y, it will goes. It will remove from the mind. Okay, this is this thing, this is this thing. So when you have the child, this S stand for the situation. You started the options also. The options is also very good. But disadvantage starts, you tell, if you converted these things, if you do not have the 2 bananas cost this much, 5 bananas cost this much, 8 bananas cost this much, 9 bananas cost this much. And if this is the X and this is the Y, if you have total number of 100 rupees, how many bananas you will purchase? Automatically you find out the value of X or whatever Y is there. So find out that S stand for situation, O stand for option, D stand for disadvantage. First you tell the disadvantage, then you tell the advantages, how you are going to use that this options X and Y, and last is the solution. Then you will get the solution. Okay, now Sajid ji, apply this sodas and again repeat the lesson.
Sir, first I understood that Mr. Anwar Sadat knows the little math. That's why I did not introduce, the whole thing.
Everybody think that the child knows everything. But linear equation, Sajid ji, know at what class we start?
I think we start in class 8.
No, we start from grade 4. Cost
Uh-huh.
price, selling price, we start from grade 4 without variables. That's why we create the situation in the mind of the child. Then we put some options. Okay, this is not available, this is not available. Then we start another thing. Then disadvantage. 6th, 7th class, we start disadvantages. Then we put in 8th class advantages. That's why 8th class is easier for the child as compared to 6th, 7th. Because there are certain disadvantages. In 4th and 5th, we give the situation and options. So curriculum is designed in this way. The learning process move in this way. So NCERT books, or you can say the pedagogical skills we are supposed to make. So lesson planning, when you are making this lesson plan, we move in this way. Okay. So you had started the lesson very right. You put the situation, banana, it's okay. Now you can ask anybody, any another English or Hindi teacher or Urdu teacher, anyone instead of Anwarji. Now Anwarji understands something. Anyone, another person? Anjali madam, which subject you are taking? Kindly unmute the Anjali madam. Anjali Chaudhary, I think.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes. Which subject you are taking, ma'am?
Sir, I am taking this class 5, this computer, sir. IT.
Computer.
Yes,
Now,
sir. Maths also I am taking, sir. Maths
Ma'am?
also I am teaching
No,
class.
no, I am
5.
taking your computer class. Which grade you are taking? Which subject? Which grade? Computer, which grade, madam? Which class?
Class 5, class 5, 5, 6, and 7. 5 to 7.
5, 6, 7. What topic you want to take today?
Today, this last before vacation, I taught them that the MS Word, basic MS Office, sir.
MS Office. In
Yes.
MS Office, you want to tell one thing about the Sajid ji. Say something language. Sajid ji now start understanding. Okay, Anjali madam, start.
Yes, sir. So Miss MS means what? For first, I will explain that what is the meaning of this MS Office. M for what and S for what, and Office. Office means what? This whatever the work is there. Means MS Office means not only Word. Okay. So Miss MS Office means we can say that it's a one of the package. Correct. Package means what? We can say that the MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, this all together it is called as the MS Office. Okay, and this MS Office, we can say that in place of this package, it's a basic package. That one we will learn today. That's it.
Sajid ji, understand anything? Kindly unmute Sajid ji.
Yes, sir. I understood the meaning name. The
But
name.
how you
what it
utilize
stands
these
for.
things in your daily life? Anwar ji understand immediately, banana, okay, this is the morning time, tomorrow I will eat banana, food, price, money. They immediately calculate. But how you will use this MS?
So MS, it's a means we can say that it's a MS Microsoft. That the means it's a one of
What
the
is
name
the
of the
need of
software.
Microsoft? Anjali madam, what is the need of Microsoft? Why will learn Microsoft?
This because Microsoft means what? For example, there are different package. This I told that it's a package. Means MS Word, it's one of the this MS Word, it's a one of the software, and that software, this all softwares we are using for different uses. Means for example, MS Word means what? If you want to write the letter, English letter, this or is any little essay, so we can use that word MS Word. Okay, Excel, if you want to do any calculation, so that time we will use this another software, that is the MS Excel.
If Anjali madam, I say, if you know MS Word, Sajid ji, if you know MS Word, automatically you will get the promotion within 2 months. Within 2 months, you will get the promotion. Your salary will be double or something. Increment will be there. What will happen? You
Sir, I will try to
start
run fast.
catching the things. You start attracting, your eyes and ears will open. So here, when you are not related to your daily life, the topics, when you are saying MS Word, it's okay, madam. You are creating the attitude. You are creating the skill and the knowledge, but desire is not there. So always ask. Ask is one of the important part. Next important thing is in lesson planning is ask. A, attitude, S for skill, and K for knowledge. But this ask, if do not have the desire, what will happen? Nothing will be happen. Nothing will be learned. So it is the important part when you have the ask, basically important. So you are doing the very good thing. You're trying to Sajid ji explaining your topics and MS Office very nicely. That is a different part. But the thing is that it is how it will be useful in your daily life. How it can be used, how it can be successful model for your for you, basically. That is the important part that when you are saying something in this way. Now I request all the member, if I request all the member to unmute themselves, or they can ask any question, or I start something questioning. I have time, I think, sir. I have time now. Okay, sir. Anybody, Hindi teacher or Urdu teacher, language teacher anymore, or dance or physical education teachers are there? Music teacher.
All teachers are there. I don't know, they are always shy. They feel shy to open up. Unmute Mishra sir, please.
Okay, sir. Kindly unmute music teacher, please.
Any
Teachers,
music teacher, any other teacher can talk, no issues.
Yes.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर, माय नेम मधु।
Good morning. Yeah, Madhu ma'am.
सर आपने जैसे बोला सोडास, SODAS, इसमें सिचुएशन, ऑपरेशन,
Oh, for options.
ऑप्शंस, डिसएडवांटेज, एडवांटेज एंड सोल्यूशन। अंजलि मैम ने जो टॉपिक लिया MS वर्ड, इंस्टेड ऑफ MS वर्ड को इस तरह से कहना या MS ऑफिस को इस तरह से कहना, ये बोल सकते थे लिखना, गणित की चीजों को समझाना और उसको अपनी लाइफ में प्रेजेंट करना, यानी बच्चों को सब ये बताना कि किसी भी चीज को आसान तरीके से आप कैसे दिखा सकते हैं। सपोज अगर मैं मेरे सब्जेक्ट में कहूँ हिंदी में, तो मैंने इससे पहले एक टॉपिक लिया था स्टोरी राइटिंग। तो स्टोरी राइटिंग में अगर आप बच्चों को चित्र दिखाएंगे तो वो बच्चे कर पाएंगे, देखेंगे और उनको जो समझ में आएगा वो अपनी चीजों को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, मीन बताने की कोशिश करेंगे। इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस, उनके पीछे जो चीजें ऑब्जेक्ट रखे हुए थे, मैंने उनको ये बोला कि आपके पीछे जो चीजें हैं बैकग्राउंड में, उसको देखिए और उसके बारे में 2 या 4 शब्द बोलिए, सिर्फ शब्द, वाक्य नहीं। उन्होंने शब्द बोला और शब्दों को फिर मैंने कहा दूसरे बच्चे से कि ये जो शब्द एक ने बोला है, दूसरे को बोला सेंटेंसेस में बनाइए। तो उन्होंने जो सेंटेंस बनाया वो अपनी सोच के हिसाब से बनाया। अब उसी सोच के हिसाब से अगर हमें डे टू डे लाइफ में लेना है, मीन्स आज के सिनेरियो में, जैसे कि आपने बोला कि पैंडेमिक या किसी भी चीज को लेकर के, जो कि अभी हम लोग जो वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड पे चल रहे हैं, डेफिनेटली फिजिकल हम नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, लेकिन बच्चों को हम उस लेवल तक ले जा सकते हैं कि सपोज आप मार्केट में हैं और इस तरह की चीजें आपको दिखती हैं, तो उन चीजों के साथ में आप कैसे हैंडल करेंगे।
Very good, ma'am. You are saying something very good thing. Now I am integrating again Sajid ji. Sajid ji आज मेरी क्लास में एक्टिव चाइल्ड की तरह पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो मेरी स्क्रीन पे बार बार दिख रहे हैं। साजिद जी, मधु मैडम को आपने x स्क्वायर और 2x के बीच में समझाना है, और मधु मैडम ने अपना अलंकार समझाना है। हाउ टू इंटीग्रेट द अलंकार एंड दिस थिंग। साजिद जी, x स्क्वायर, एक्सप्लेन x स्क्वायर, to Madhu Rai madam. What is the difference between x square and 2x?
Madhu ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Madhu ma'am, when you have suppose 5 real.
Okay.
Okay. When you get 2 5 real note, how much you have?
10 real.
Okay, you have 10 real. So it means you multiply the 5 with 2, right?
Yes.
So
Okay,
5
Sajid,
and
I can add also, sir.
Sajid
I
is
can add also.
Yes,
Madhu
sir.
madam, now
Yes, sir.
kindly convert this thing in your alankar.
Yes. Sajid sir,
Yes, yes.
अलंकार का मतलब होता है, अलंकार और कुछ नहीं है, जो चीजें हम पहनते हैं ना, जो चीजें हमें देखने में खूबसूरत बनाती हैं, उसे अलंकार कहते हैं।
Okay.
जैसे आपने बताए 5 रियाल और 5 रियाल। सपोज आपने जो सूट पहना हुआ है, सूट जो पहना हुआ है उसके साथ में आपने टाई लगाई हुई है, ठीक है?
Okay.
अगर टाई नहीं लगाएं, टाई की जगह पर बो लगाएं तो क्या होगा? या सिर्फ बो लगाएं या टाई लगाएं और आपके कोट को हम रिमूव कर दें, क्या होगा?
Still I will look handsome.
बिल्कुल 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 आप अच्छे दिखेंगे। मैं बिल्कुल नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आप अच्छे नहीं दिखेंगे, लेकिन क्या अगर उसके साथ में मैं आपके कोट को ऐड कर दूं तो ज्यादा अच्छे नहीं दिखेंगे?
Correct.
हाँ, तो वही चीज है, अलंकार का मतलब और कुछ नहीं है, अपने आप को खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए जो भी चीजें आप पहनते हो वो आभूषण कहलाते हैं, यानी गहना कहलाते हैं।
बिल्कुल मधु
इसी
मैडम
तरह
आपने
से
सही
शब्दों को भी ये सब
मधु मैडम आप अलंकार जो मैथ्स में सर ने समझाया आपको, उसको अलंकार में कन्वर्ट करिए।
अच्छा, उसको अलंकार में कन्वर्ट करो।
जो आपको समझा रहे थे ये एक्स स्क्वायर जो समझा रहे थे ये
वो मुझे क्लियर नहीं हुआ, इसलिए मैं उसको क्या
अब आपको मैं इंटीग्रेशन देख रहा हूँ। नाउ लिसन ऑल द टीचर्स, नाउ लिसन। अब अलंकार साजिद सर,
Yes.
अब ये हिंदी और मैथ्स का आई एम गिविंग द कॉम्बिनेशन, आई एम टेकिंग दिस टू सब्जेक्ट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन। व्हाई इंटीग्रेशन सो मच इंपॉर्टेंट? आई से अलंकार, there is one alankar where the repetition of word is there. Which alankar is there? What is the name of that, Madhu madam?
अनुप्रास।
अनुप्रास अलंकार का मतलब है कि वो रिपीटेशन ऑफ द सिंगल फर्स्ट वर्ड जो है रिपीटेशन।
फर्स्ट वर्ड, यस।
जस्ट लाइक लिसन वेरी केयरफुली। चंदू के चाचा ने चांदनी चौक पे चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई।
Yes.
How many chai is coming? चंदू के चाचा ने चांदनी चौक पे चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई। How many chai is coming?
10 sir.
10 or 11 you can say. 11 chai. So Madhu madam, how many chai is there?
11 sir.
And when the words are coming repetitionally, kanak kanak,
कनक कनक,
they
yes.
have the different meaning. वो
Yeah.
मैडम तो आपको समझाना चाह रही थी टाई और बो में दोनों का डिफरेंट मतलब है। दोनों की खूबसूरती अपनी अपनी जगह है, दोनों जगह आप हैंडसम लगेंगे, लेकिन वो कनक कनक का मीनिंग अलग अलग है। वो आपने कब लगाना है और कौन सी पार्टी में लगाना है, दोनों का अलग अलग है। सो कनक कनक इज एक्स स्क्वायर और 2x। एक्स स्क्वायर कहाँ पे होगा? जहां पे अलग अलग है,
अलग अलग है।
जहां अब यहां पर अगर आपके वर्ड्स के आगे आप कब करते हैं एडिशन, कब करते हैं? ऐड जब करते हैं, एक्स स्क्वायर कैन नॉट बी एडेड विद एक्स, एक्स विल बी एडेड विद व्हाट? एक्स ओनली। एक्स प्लस एक्स becomes what? 2x. तो चंदू के चाचा ने चाचा is coming, it means you add how many chai is coming. When you take this type of thing, Hindi teacher will automatically understand that this is the way of Anupras Alankar and we can add this thing. Got my point? So cha जो counting की वो आपने क्या किया? Immediately you count the things and they are able to differentiate the x square and 2x. Got the point? थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज है साजी जी बिकॉज दिस अलंकार। सो सिमिलरली इंटीग्रेशन, आप फिजिकल टीचर को गए, फिजिकल एजुकेशन कैन ड्रॉ द फुटबॉल ग्राउंड और बास्केटबॉल ग्राउंड इमीडिएटली, बट साजी जी व्हेन गो टू द ग्राउंड दे फील वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू हाउ टू मेजर द थिंग्स, हाउ टू ड्रॉ द थिंग्स इन ए बेटर फॉर्म। सो दिस आर्ट यू ट्राई टू इंटीग्रेट द थिंग्स एंड द चाइल्ड हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स in the initial stage. But when we try to inculcate all these things, we try to stop the things in a very wrong way. without we always say ki don't ask the question, don't say something, don't tell this is a very silly question. Try to give the reply of that silly question. That is the important part. And when you are giving this type of silly questions reply, automatically it will be integrated. That's why NEP always focus on the integration of IT, integration of art. Teacher should be one of the biggest dramebaz in the classroom. If they do not have the dramebaz, they are not successful teacher. Number one dramebaz hona chahiye. Number one, not number 2 and 3. If they have the dramebaz and they are integrating as per the choice of the child, as per the thought process of the child, automatically the integration of the things will be always effectively also. Now, I can ask if you have the one of the important part subject. Now the questions is always asking how this competency based question. What is mean by competency based question? How you integrate this competency based question in your lesson planning? Anybody? Two persons are sitting, Raja Rajanji and Dr. Durga Rajanji. Anyone? Sir.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. What is competency? How you take? What subject you are taking, sir?
Sir, I am teaching physics, sir.
Physics, very nice. How you take competency based question? What do you think?
So that is incorporating the skills, sir.
How? What type of skills?
For example, if I am teaching the concept of refraction. So if I'm teaching the concept of refraction, the bending of light concept can be explained by doing some simple experiments, sir. For example, if I'm dipping a pencil in a glass of water, so if I'm asking the students to view the pencil at a particular angle, the bending of pencil, they can see. So based on that, I can explain the concept of refraction, that light travels from one medium to another medium. Light bends, changes its direction and speed. So that's how we explain the competency.
So what skill you develop here? What type of skill you develop?
Experimental skill, sir, or observational skill.
Observation skills. Very nice, Rajaranji. Now here I am agree with the Rajaranji, but I want to add something here. What type of question you will ask from the students here?
I can ask the question why you are able to see the bending of the pencil, why the pencil does not appear as a straight, why it is bent.
If you ask why, instead of you give the situation, if this type of bending will be there, what will be the reply? Try to create situation always.
Yes,
if
sir.
you create now a very important point for giving this, because this year you have the competency based question, MCQs, competency based question. Their reply should be in the form of star, STAR. Write down STAR. Competency based question should be replied in the form of star, so that you try to create this type of questions also. S stand for situation.
Yes, sir.
Create the situation. Now you have the glass, you have the light, this type of angle. Now give the task again. When you give the task, some action will start. They try to do what the action will start, and then result will come out. So this will give the example. Let us assume Saji has tried to give this Anwar Saab ki you have this banana situation. Then they have the task. If 2 bananas cost is how much? This is the task. Automatically action starts. Anwarji counting it. 1 banana cost this thing, 2 banana cost it. Action. Result is what? Their total amount spent. So star basically means try to create one story or something, paragraph, and through which you try to inbuild this type of competency. Now competency, you say very good ki you are supposed to create the 21st century skill. And what is that 21st century skills? 21st century skills are divided into 3 parts. One of the important part is learning skill. Second is literacy skill. Third one is the life skill. In the life skill, literacy skill or learning skill, in your topic, it should be taken in a hidden way. It should not be, you can say, take that as a subjective way. When you are taking this type of things, try to come out from the subjectivity of that subject. Now, what is learning skills? Learning skills have 4C, because when you are asking the question in physics or language or mathematics anywhere, there the 4C are there. One, what is that 4C? First, critical thinking. Second is creativity. Third is collaboration. Fourth is communication. Anwarji, critical thinking started 1 multiplied by 1 banana, okay, 2 banana, critical. Creative, automatically they multiply. Collaboration, they ask or they think the collaborative activity can be done, and he communicate the things replying that way. So these 4C are the important part when you are giving the group activity or individual activity. Next is the literacy skill, very, very important in nowadays. What is that? IMT, information, media, technology. How the information you are getting, data science. You have a lot of data in your hand. How you are using that data information, how the media you are using. Media means mode of transaction, mode of telling the things. And third is the technology. The WhatsApp message is only for the good morning or whatever it is. Whether you are using in a better form or not, that is also the important part. So technology usage of the technology is also the important part. Last part is life skill, which creates a change in your life. You all are teacher due to your life skills, not to the, you can say, what is that? Flips. F stand for flexibility. L stand for leadership skill. FLIPS, flips. F stand for flexibility. L stand for leadership. I stand for initiative. Initiative is the important part. If I ask any Hindi teacher and like Madhu madam come, I ask math teacher Sajid sir come, I ask any language teacher Anwarji come. So leadership, initiative. P stands for productivity. Whatever the activity you are doing, whatever the teaching or learning process is going on, what is the result of that? What is the productivity of that lecture or conclusion of that things? Last is social skill. How socially or emotionally, that's why I'm always saying emotionally should be, connection should be there. So how you are emotionally connected with the students, that is the important part. That is the important things you are supposed to inbuild. So Rajaranji, when you are taking this type of skills in your subject, one way or another
Yes,
way,
sir.
just like the light you are saying, so you can convert, okay, this is the glass, this is the water, put the light. What is happening? Okay, you rotate at 20 degree, you rotate at 40 degree. You find out the child is doing something. That experiential learning moves. Hand-on-hand activities can be done. Situation you had given, they find out their own solution. They will not ask the reply of the thing. They will not ask the answer from you. They will try to give the answer themselves. That is the important issue where we are supposed to add on things. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Rajaranji. Any more question? If anybody wants to ask, they can unmute themselves and then ask any question. Anybody?
So now I'll speak, sir. Thank you very much, Mishra, sir. It was great to listen from you. Believe me, I also learned a lot of things from you. However, you are my senior brother and we meet regularly. Mishra, sir, hopefully one day, 1 or 2 days, you can come down to Qatar and train our teachers in the best possible way. It was amazing, actually. I have learned a lot of things and how to create a lesson, the proper lesson. That shows you are always with the CBSE. See, because you are the person who are always in the CBSE office. Okay, so you are the person who are guiding CBSE in the most possible way. This time, I think in the webinar, I have taken two prominent people who are always with the CBSE. One is you and one is Amita Madam. So both are CBSE germs, and hopefully our teachers implement the things what you are told in the classroom to make students happy. See, we are here to cater in a best possible way for the students, and we are here for the students, and you have shared your immense knowledge, and we are enlightened with your knowledge, Mishra sir, and we are so grateful and thankful to you. Since this is a virtual platform, we are not able to honor you, but however, we'll honor you with a claps, and it was a wonderful session and wonderful way of explanation, the topic and the examples and the ways you explained. And I think today being Onam, and our teachers who are from Kerala background, they are celebrating Onam, and today everybody is waiting for the feast food, different variety of feast food. I think many of them already started cooking and many of them started feeling that taste. So in the taste, your talk was more better than all the feast food. It was excellent, I can tell. So thankful for you for accepting my one call and accepting me and accepting us to train our teachers. So it is so great of you, and you are on prompt time. You have 15 minutes before our teachers. So that shows the commitment of a genuine person. So you are true educationalist and a true leader. So hopefully you stay long and happy always. And our teachers will meet you one day physically, inshallah. When Corona, I am not talking about Corona, you told not to talk about Corona, when things become normal. So we hopefully will call you to Ideal School to give training physically to the teachers. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation. And further, I will go to the host because he will tell the exact vote of thanks will be told by my host. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you to all. Thank you. Take care. Please. Thank you.